Welcome to Kyle and Kurt! Don't forget to subscribe! Hello guys, today we're gonna make a Lego video. Guess what we're gonna make? Yup, you're right. Today we're gonna build a faucet. Before we start this video, don't forget to subscribe and like. I will appreciate it so much. Okay, now let's get started. Make a comment if you want me to make something else. Maybe like a plane or something. Or a house. But for now, we're gonna make a faucet. Let's get started. Those of you who want to build a faucet, I'm gonna teach you. Show you how. Just watch me. Okay, put this piece there. Here. This is the last layer. Faucets aren't that high. Mine is not gonna be that high. It's so very simple. This is gonna be quite a short video. Hope that's okay. Building a faucet is so easy for me. And it's also, if I can do it, means you can do it. Right? I don't know. Maybe you can. Maybe some of you can, or maybe some of you can. Okay, let's keep building. This is the last piece. I want to exchange this green. I don't like the green. I like the red. Okay, now let's build. You want me to add some more details? Let me remove one layer. That's how I thought to work. We need a short piece. No, not. Sorry, it's noisy. I'm building the thing that you push down and then the water will fall. I'm gonna put a blue block because I don't have a lot of see-through blocks. It's like you can see from this side to another side by looking at the block. See-through block. See-through. I don't know how. Oh, something like this. Okay, let's build the water. I can't finish the cup. See. That, you know why I put this? This is the water. Because water's blue. Oh, I need just one long piece and I'm done. Sweet. One piece. Yay! I finished! Look. I put water. It's a faucet. It kind of doesn't look like a faucet. I know what to add. Perfect. Simple. Like you just put it down. Like you just put. I kind of need like a hole. Because a sink has a hole. There. Look, a sink. Ta-da! Oh. Ta-da! Look, let me show how to use this. Oop. Imagine the water's dropping. Look. You guys can see it's flowing down. Ah, there's about to be a flood near. Ah! Wait, before I go crazy, bye. Wait, look, it's gonna fall down. It's gonna fall down in the drain. Look, it's falling down in the drain. It's falling down in the drain. I hope you like my faucet. Wow, and all the water's falling down in the sink. All the water's falling down. Oh. And now there's no hole. If there's no hole, All the water's gonna come back. Ah, no, it's about to be a flood again. Oh no, it's gonna be a flood. Water's going back. Oh no. Oh no. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Wow. Ah, my pot is about to break up. Wow. Oh, the water is going out. Ah, hope you enjoy the video. Ah, the water's getting higher. Don't forget to subscribe. Wow. Water is going up. Ah, make sure you make a comment. Wow, water's going up. Don't forget to hit the like button. Wow. Whoa, the water's getting up. Love you guys. Whoa. Don't forget to subscribe. And now my faucet is only left with this.